All right. So in this video, what we are going to cover certain topics with respect to what do you do once your listing is live on marketplace, right? And how do you attract your customers or your prospects to your listing, and the transaction goes via marketplace, right? So we have segregated it into three different types of things that you can do. One is related to the marketplace activities, certain things that you can add on to the listing. Um, then the other topic is around marketing channels, and the last one is around like your sales collaterals, right? So let's go one by one into each and just understand why they are important and what they do. In with respect to marketplace activities, the first item that you have is enable free trial. So if you support free trial on your product, and if it's a SaaS product, then do enable free trial on the listing. Essentially, any low intent buyer uh, just looking to see how the product works can try a free trial and get into it. Um, so that's the first activity. Second, if you are on APN, Amazon Partner Network, then do create a solution on it. If you already created a solution, then go ahead and link it to the listing. Um, um, you have a section called buy on marketplace where you have to add the listing link, the URL of the listing. Essentially, whenever you're co-selling with AWS reps, if your solution has a listing associated with it, it's a higher probability for them to post more. Um, so do do create the solution and add the listing to it. If you're not selling and you're not on APN, then do see if you can get on it and start selling, because obviously that's going to get more leads and more opportunities into your funnel. Um, So the next item is enabling requested demo and private offer buttons on the listing. Essentially, on listing, there is no way for a buyer to request you for a demo or private offer. They can either reach out to you on email that you add under support or description. But enabling these two buttons um, essentially uh, gives you more opportunities directly, right? If anyone is reaching out to you. Um, Adding vendor insights. So vendor insights essentially is if you have any compliances, SOC, FedRAMP, ISO, you can get those badges added on the listing. Again, making sure it's to make sure that customers trust your product. If you have those compliances in place. Final is G2 reviews. So if you are on G2 and if your product has reviews on it, um, then you can sync those reviews on the marketplace, and those reviews will be visible there. Which again, higher the reviews, the more trust factor. So um, essentially, it's going to get you more opportunities from there. So all of these items, if you need help, we can help you out with any of these. We also have how to guide on some of these to get you enabled there, right? So these are certain activities that you do on marketplace once your listing goes live. Um, let's go towards marketing channels. Now over here, it's around how do you market your listing, so that people know that you are on the marketplace now. The first two ones are straightforward: issuing a press release and LinkedIn post. Making sure that you tag AWS LinkedIn post, they do reshare most of the stuff, and also doing a press release, right? Just for letting customers or prospects know that this is there. Third item is mostly to if you have any other communication channels, maybe a newsletter or email that's going on. Do let them know that you are on marketplace. It is going to, so if you have any renewals coming up, or if you have a new prospect that's going to go with you or purchase your product, this could enable that um, if they have any questions in their mind. So if they can purchase on marketplace, it becomes a great enabler. And last thing is on your um, website, do add that you are available on marketplace, um, and there is a like a basic icon that can be added on the website, and essentially again letting customers or whoever visits your website for them to know that okay, your listing is on marketplace as well, right? So these are a couple of activities. Now going towards sales collateral. So idea here is usually letting whoever you're currently dealing with in terms of negotiations, and you are presenting your product, demoing your product. In all those conversations, do include that this can be purchased via marketplace as well. Um, Again, the reason being it's a great enabler, and if they know that they can use their credits and pay for the product, it essentially helps them close the deal faster. So whenever you're talking to a prospect, you're negotiating on a deal, do include this line item at this point, and also on your any decks or any collaterals that you have that you present or share, do include that you guys are on marketplace and you are actively transacting. So these are certain activities that if you do gets you more opportunities and then starts a new um, sales funnel on your end, and you start getting more and more deals closing through marketplace. If you have any questions on this, happy to answer. Do reach out um, on our support channel, um, and we will be having a documentation around this as well, and hopefully this can help you get more opportunities and deals via marketplace. Um, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much.